this is a video basically on the TELESIN Action case. Now it's not so much a description about this case, because I'll leave a link up here to a video that I've done on this case and also the black version of this TELESIN case. This is the reason why I bought this case. I bought this case because I have got the Rode Wireless Go. Now I know Rode gives you a nice soft pouch to place it in, which isn't too bad, but I'm a kind of person that when I bring my camera stuff or mic stuff, I really fling them into a big bag or my rucksack and things like this, and then I buy stuff and then that goes into the same bag, and especially when I'm abroad. So I wanted something other than this case, which is quite nice, what Rode gives you, which is quite nice, but I wanted something really hard, and as you can see that this case is quite soft. So I bought this compact case. Sorry about that. I bought this compact case, and I'll show you how I placed these Rode microphones, the wire, and also one of the muffs. So this is how you place them in. I normally put the receiver at the bottom. You can either put the receiver, as you can see, fits in there no problem, the receiver or the transmitter at the bottom, and you place the other one up here. Now I was going to cut this off altogether and cut this out, but I thought no, because once you go to close it, everything tends to be falling into the middle, so I left that in there, no problem. Now you can either put them in that way or upside down if you want to put them in. It doesn't really make much difference, but I'll show you now. I'd place that there. Next we get the wire, the connecting wire. Now what I find with the connecting wire is the jack parts, I'll try and place them underneath. It's a bit tricky when you're doing it behind the camera, but basically, because this is just wire, the jack parts can actually fit underneath the unit. So and there we got the wire in there with the jack part, and the muff or dead cat can simply just place next to side the Rode at the top, and then you just close the case down. And that's it. Now the two wireless goes, the wire and the dead cat are all placed in there, no problem. And as I says previously with the black one, here I had my lavalier microphone in there. Now you could probably fit two lavalier microphones in here. It's just that I choose to fit just the one in here for now, but you can fit two of them in here, no problem, they'll fit in there. I might probably still put my cheap one that I got there, because I did a video about my cheap, and I'll leave a link up here about a cheap £1, under £2 microphone, lavalier mic. I'll put that in there, and that's no problem. So as you can see, I bought this one for the lavalier mic. So one fits my lavalier mics in there, and the other one fits the wireless Go. And as you can see, they fit in there no problem. And as I said, it's a nice, for the price of these cases, and I'll leave the item number for these cases at the in the subscription. If if I can't fit the link in there, I'll leave the item number so you can look at it on eBay. As you can see, both Rode mics, both the Rode Wireless Go fit in these no problem, as I says, and that's with this kind of cord. If it was the straight one, it would just be rolled up and just placed in there, no problem. So as you can see, both of them fit in there literally no problem. There's no damage, you know, to either the unit at all. So, and there, without even tugging on the zip too tough, it all fits in. So this is just a quick video on the TELESIN case, for action camera case, sorry, and how I fit my Rode Wireless Go in there. Please do me a favor, please like, please subscribe, and also leave a comment of what you think. Thanks very much.